So tell us your name and how you heard about our office.
My name is Richard Mason, and I learned about your office and you from the big ad in the newspaper. And that caught my eye because of the neuropathy that I was experiencing and the pain associated with it.
Yeah. Tell us about that. How long have you had neuropathy and what kind of problems were you having?
I had it several years. It's one of the more unfortunate things I inherited from my father, I think. He had a very bad case of it. By the time he passed, both his feet were just numb stumps. And I felt I was headed in that direction, and I was taking an over-the-counter product for it, and it helped for a couple of years, but then all of a sudden it didn't do anything, and pain was becoming more drastic, actually, to the point where walking was a problem. And I had felt like round circles of pain right between the balls of my feet. And it was just becoming excruciating, where I was having a problem walking. And I used to be a jogger, and I couldn't even do that. So when I saw the ad, I said, I gotta check this out. And after hearing your presentation and then a consultation with you, I thought, I'm gonna give this a try. I've gotta find some resolution to this, because this is not going in the right direction.
So on a pain scale of 1 to 10, where 10 is the worst pain you had and 0 was no pain, what was your pain like before you came to see us?
11.
That bad. It was terrible.
It was.
Okay.
I couldn't really stand in one spot for more than maybe a minute or so. I had to keep shifting because of it.
Yeah. There's some things you couldn't do before you're able to do now again?
Jog, for one thing, and walk without pain for another.
Where were those balls on your feet? Can you show me, like?
It was right in the middle, right below my toes.
So on that foot and then on your other
Both
foot
feet,
also.
and
Okay.
the left being the most prominent.
Yeah. And so any step you took in walking, that would hurt, just like
Yes.
11 out of 10
I was
pain.
always cognizant of my feet,
Yeah,
you know, and the pain therein.
sure, sure. So you came to see us, you had some treatment. When did you start noticing an improvement, and how do you feel now?
Well, by the grace of God or whatever, in 3 days, those hot spots that I referred to them as were gone.
Wow.
The pain was gone. And then the numbness and the tingling started to continue to dissipate, which it's still doing. And we're right at 6 months since the treatment.
Wow. So you went from an 11 out of 10 pain to a 0. Wow.
Well, I'm not at 0. Well, pain, I'd say from time to time about a 3.
Okay.
But it's progressive.
Oh yeah, that's a huge improvement.
Yeah,
And the numbness, it's much better too.
much better.
Wow,
Much
fantastic.
better. Continuing to dissipate.
Yeah. Would you recommend this treatment to any friends, or would you do it again?
Well, yes, and I haven't provided this information to a number of friends.